Mental health has always been an important issue to our overall health and well-being, but the topic has received much more attention the past few years, and especially now during the pandemic and isolation. In an attempt to help our students and families, the Marysville Public Schools received a grant to access services to St. Clair County Community Mental Health. This grant, scheduled to run during the 2021 school year, has several goals, including a new student wellness center within the district. Mrs. Andrea Toby explains more.
St. Clair County Community Mental Health became through a grant, became a certified community behavioral health clinic. And within that grant, there's funding to be able to pilot this school-based wellness center.
Ms. Taube explains her role in the Student Wellness Center and how students and families will be assisted in combating depression, anxiety, and other issues.
My role as a clinical therapist inside the Student Wellness Center will be to provide individual, family, and group counseling, to assist with crisis or emergent issues, to provide mental health screenings and substance use screenings, and also referrals for outside resources when needed.
Ms. Taube is a skilled professional. She tells us more about her background with the S.C.C. Mental Health.
I am a licensed master social worker. I work for St. Clair County Community Mental Health in the Child and Family Service Division, providing mental health services to children and their families. I have completed training in trauma-focused cognitive behavior therapy and have extensive knowledge of community resources and support systems.
With 5 school buildings in the district and over 2,700 students, how will you attempt to service our students?
We will be available to any Marysville student, so K through 12. However, if the student is under the age of 14, they'll have to have a signed consent from a parent. But we are just hoping to improve access to mental health services. So we'll be here 2 days a week. We're still working on the schedule. Students can make appointments or they can just do walk-ins.
Do you anticipate referring students and families to additional community resources if the needs present themselves?
Yeah, absolutely. We're prepared, through our assessments and screening processes to identify if there's a need for outside community resources. And certainly we have, again, extensive knowledge of the community resources and support systems.
How will you determine the success of the grant over the next few months?
So we'll be looking to identify outcomes, maybe have a decrease in detentions or suspensions, for students to be able to improve their grades. We can work on behavioral health challenges that, just to assist and for having students be successful.
Change is never easy, and as a community, we are learning how to adjust to a new normal. We encourage all of our school family to stay safe, both physically and mentally. If you would like more information or would like to speak with Andrea Toby, please contact your school principal or call the office of the superintendent. Be safe and kind. I'm Nicole W for M6 Television.